Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Sony Smart TV to a set-top box. First, place your set-top box close to your TV so the cables can reach easily. Now take an HDMI cable. Look at the back or side of your set-top box and find the port labeled HDMI out. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into that port. Next, find the HDMI in ports on your Sony TV. These are usually labeled as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or sometimes ARC or E-ARC. Plug the other end of the cable into one of these ports. Now connect both devices to a power source. Turn on your Sony TV using the remote. Then turn on the set-top box. Next, take your Sony TV remote and press the input or source button. A list will appear on the screen. Select the HDMI port that you used, such as HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. After selecting the correct input, you should see the set-top box screen on your TV. If not, double-check the cable connections. Thanks for watching.